Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Sumit. So today we are going to make pasta in home. Basically this is an Indian Desi style pasta, and for making this recipe you do not need any special ingredient. You can make this dish with some few ingredients, and trust me guys, this will be tenderize your taste buds. So you have to try this. You can easily make in about 5 minutes if you have the pasta ready. So without wasting any time, let's get cooking. For making the Indian street style pasta, first of all we need tomato ketchup 40 grams. Then after that refined oil 3 tablespoons. Here you can replace refined oil with any other oil which you mostly prefer. Then mozzarella diced cheese 1/3 cup. You can use any cheese. Then Kashmiri Red Chilli powder 1 tablespoon. After that salt to taste. Then medium size capsicum 1 number. Now here I am using a OregZano seasoning sachet around 4 number, and the weight of each is 0.75 gram. Then black pepper to taste. After that garlic cloves medium size 7 to 8 pieces. Then tomatoes around 3 number. After that penne pasta 1 cup around 201 gram. Then water, it is around 3 cup. Now for making the pasta, first of all we will boil water here. I have a kadai, or you can also use a saucepan, and I am taking 3 cup of water. Along with the water, we will add some salt. After 5 to 10 minutes, the water gets start boiling. Now I am taking 1 cup of the pasta and then boil it until they are soft boiling. This will take around 10 minutes. For making the red sauce or red chutney, first of all we have to blanch the tomatoes. So here I have a frying pan, and I am taking around 450 ml of water. Then after we have to add these 3 tomatoes into the water. Before adding these tomatoes into the water, first of all we have to make a cross cut from the opposite side of the root. Here you can see that how I cut the tomatoes in a cross way. After making a cross cut in all the tomatoes, now we have to add these all the tomatoes into the lukewarm water. Here I am also taking 4 dry red chilies. If you use it like it is, then it will be super spicy. So if you blanch it along with the tomatoes, then it would be very spicy. Now get back to the pasta. Here the pasta is almost ready. We don't want al dente pasta right now. We are making Indian street style pasta. So for this we have to make it super soft. The pasta is done. Now turn off the flame or the heat and then strain it. We don't have it to cool it down with adding some cold water or apply some oil. So this is ready to be used. At the same time, our tomatoes are fully blanched along with the red chilies, and red chilies also get super soft. Now here I have to turn off the gas. Here I had removed skin from all the tomatoes. Here I have a mixing jar in which we use 3 blanched tomatoes, which is de-skin and de-seed, with 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Then I am adding the soaked chilies. Then here I am using a little bit of water, or you can also use stock. Basically this water is the extract of blanched tomatoes. Usually if the tomatoes is not in red color, the chutney won't be red in color. So you can add some more of the Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, and our chutney for the pasta will be ready. So here you can see the consistency or texture is perfect. Then our chutney for the pasta is ready to use. Now we have to cut this capsicum in a small triangle or dice. Now here I am taking a frying pan to making a final pasta. First of all I am adding 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Then I am adding veggies. Now we have to stir fry the vegetables for around 1 minute. Then I am adding red sauce or chutney into it. After cooking 1 to 2 minutes, here I am adding the tomato ketchup around 40 grams. Then we have to stir it evenly. Now I am using the crushed black pepper. You can use it depend upon your taste. After that I am adding salt. This is about to taste. Then I am adding a mozzarella diced cheese around 1 tablespoon. Then we have to stir it for 15 to 20 seconds on a medium flame. Now I am gonna adding our main ingredient, that is pasta. Here I am gonna adding the rest of the mozzarella cheese on the top of the pasta and stir it gently on a low flame. At the last I am using 4 sachets of oregano mix one by one. If you don't have the oregano mix, then you use the packet from Domino's or Pizza Hut. Now again we have to stir it gently on a low flame for for about 10 to 12 seconds. At that time, this is done. Now it's a time to turn off the gas. We don't have to overcook it. Now this pasta is ready for plating. Here I am using a white plate for plating. Here you can see I am pouring the pasta with the help of ladle. Here you can see the texture and color of the Indian street style pasta. This is looking so delicious. At the top I am spreading some chopped coriander, and this is optional, but if you use it, it can enhance the texture of the pasta. At the end, I am sprinkle some cheese on the top so it look more delicious. Now our Indian street style pasta is ready to eat. I hope guys that you enjoy this recipe. And guys, if you like this recipe, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Keep showing your love and support. Thank you.